Can something this tiny actually rescue your hair? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Luz, and today I'm going to show you how to use the SOS Hair Therapy Ampoule from Agua, Cielo. This is a concentrated treatment designed to repair, hydrate, and strengthen damaged hair. First, wash your hair twice with shampoo. Don't apply conditioner so the hair can absorb the treatment better. Next, carefully open the ampoule at the marked line. I like to use a tissue to do this safely. Now, mix it with about 30 milliliters of water. This is where the magic happens, and this is the creamy texture we're looking for. You will follow the same steps with the other ampoules, except for the energizing one, which is applied directly to the scalp. Apply the mixture on damp hair. Focus on the midlines and ends, where the hair usually needs the most care. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly and style your hair as usual. It can be straight, curly, and all hair types. After just one use, your hair can feel softer, smoother, shinier, and much more manageable. And that's how you use the SOS Hair Therapy Ampoule from Agua de Cielo. If your hair needs hydration, repair, shine, and healthy growth, this treatment is definitely for you.